We on. It is snowing profusely. It's snowing profusely. This is not okay. Look at the damn snow. It's snowing today. Today on the 10:15 news. It's snowing profusely. We don't know if we're going to be able to get in the car. It's a lot of snow. If the wind picks up, we're going to have a real issue today. Hopefully we can have a snow day and no school. That would be wonderful. Be an online final. It is snowing, guys. It's a storm. It's a storm. This is not Disneyland snow. Where it's like suds. Oh gosh. It's getting windy. It's getting windy. Okay, we're walking to the car. We definitely forgot to get chocolate milk because there's a snowstorm. Oh crap. It's kind of cold out here, but I mean, it's fine, I guess. Still going. Hopefully we can pull out. You know, we're assuming there's going to be snow all day. Look at the cars. Look at this. This is amazing. Now, we bought a spatula, so hopefully we won't have any issues today. Here comes a state trooper to warn us. Stay indoors. We're walking. Look at these cars. My car will probably be the worst by far. Goodness gracious. I didn't even know we parked and full of snow and it's gonna be, where are we going? Where are we going? What?
Here's the car.
And there's the car. How are we gonna get in it? I don't really know. I don't really know how we're gonna get in this car. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Is this the car? Does the license plate match? I think this is it. Okay, gotta go, guys.